How old were you guys when this question came out? We're looking at an O-level AMF paper, 2012, okay, paper 2, question 6. We are given this equation here involving logarithms, and we are asked to express u in terms of x. In other words, we're asked to make u the subject. Now, we have to get rid of the logarithms on each side of the equation, but before we can do that, you must observe that the bases that we have here are different. So we have to do a change of base. So remember, when you do a change of base, x cubed base 8, right? So x cubed will be at the top, 8 will be at the bottom. And then now we choose a suitable base that can be common for both sides. So 8 and 4, a common base would be a 2. Since we can change 8 to 2 to the power of 3, and 4 as 2 to the power of 2. So we'll do the same on the right hand side, log u base 4. So it'll become log u over log 4 base of 2. Now from here we are able to actually express this 8 as 2 cubed. And on the right hand side, this 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2. Now this is where we can apply our power law, use power law to bring this 3 down to the front. Okay, I'm going to do the same with this as well. The power of 2 here, which is 3, I'm going to bring it down to the front. For log u base 2, nothing changes there. Okay, this power of 2 here, I can also bring it down to the front. Notice that this actually makes things a lot simpler because the 3 can be cancelled off, common factor. This is something that you all know, right? That when you have log 2 base 2, when the base and the number here is the same, this is equivalent to 1. Essentially, what we have over here will just be log x base 2. And on the right hand side, this is log u base 2 over 2. Log 2 base 2 is equals to 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. Now, from here, you have a few ways to do this. One way is to actually rewrite this as just half of log u base 2. So instead of writing it as over 2, this can be written as a fraction in front as half. I'm not able to remove the log on both sides until I have no coefficients in front. So I'm going to raise this half up. So once you have a single log function with the same base on each side, this is where we can remove the log. So this is just equating x with u power half. And from here, to make u the subject to express u in terms of x, we will just have to square both sides. That will lead us to u equals to x squared. And this is the final answer.